Does your kitchen feel more like a cluttered storage unit than the heart of your home? If you're constantly digging through chaotic cabinets, tripping over random gadgets, or wondering where all your counter space disappeared to, you're not alone. A messy kitchen doesn't just look bad, it adds stress to your daily routine, slows down your cooking process, and makes even the simplest tasks feel overwhelming. But here's the good news: you don't need a massive renovation, expensive containers, or a full weekend of organizing to get your kitchen under control. In fact, some of the most effective decluttering methods are the ones people never think about. That's what today's video is all about. We're going beyond the basics and revealing 5 unexpected, creative, and highly effective ways to declutter your kitchen, strategies that are smart, simple, and actually fun to implement. Whether you're dealing with tiny drawers, overflowing cabinets, or just too much stuff you never use, these tips will help you reclaim your space, breathe easier, and love your kitchen again. So grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and stay tuned, because the transformation you're looking for starts with these surprising decluttering secrets. Part 1: Decluttering your mindset, where real change begins. Before we even touch a single drawer or cabinet, let's start with something even more important: your mindset. One of the biggest reasons kitchens stay cluttered isn't just lack of storage, it's our emotional connection to the things inside them. That chipped coffee mug from college, the gadget you might use someday, or that baking dish gifted by someone special, these items carry memories, not just function. But holding onto everything just in case often leads to a kitchen packed with guilt, not usefulness. To truly declutter, you need to ask, why is this space always overflowing? Is it because you buy more than you need? Or maybe because you haven't set clear boundaries on what belongs in your kitchen? Recognizing the real reason behind the mess helps you make smarter choices, not just quick cleanups. And most importantly, set realistic goals. Don't aim to declutter your entire kitchen in a day. Start with one drawer, one shelf, one habit. When you shift your mindset from perfection to progress, that's when the real transformation begins, both in your kitchen and your peace of mind. Part 2: Tackling the fridge, where chaos loves to hide. Now let's move into one of the most chaotic areas of any kitchen: the fridge. It might look clean on the outside, but inside, it's often a jungle of half-used sauces, forgotten leftovers, and mystery containers that haven't seen daylight in weeks. That's where the first in, first out method can be a total game changer. This simple approach means using older items before the new ones, just like grocery stores do. Rotate your pantry and fridge items so nothing gets buried and wasted. To keep things visible and streamlined, use clear containers. When you can see what you have, you're far more likely to use it. Group similar items together like dairy, sauces, snacks, and assign each shelf or bin a category. No more digging through piles just to find the yogurt. And here's the ultimate fridge hack: create a simple meal planning system. Whether it's a whiteboard on the door or a magnetic weekly planner, having a plan reduces food waste, cuts down on overbuying, and keeps your fridge organized by design, not by accident. Your future self will thank you every time you open the door. Part 3: Rethinking storage solutions. Make space where none exists. Think your kitchen is too small to stay organized? Think again. Most kitchens have more storage potential than we realized. It's all about how you use the space. Start by looking up literally. Vertical space is one of the most underutilized areas in any kitchen. Stackable drawers, tiered shelf organizers, and hanging racks can double or even triple your storage without taking up more square footage. Suddenly, that cluttered cabinet becomes a neatly arranged storage zone. Now, take a look at your walls and unused corners. This is where magnetic strips come in handy. Mount them on the backsplash or inside cabinets to hold spice jars, knives, or metal utensils. It keeps things off the counter but within arm's reach, practical and stylish. And don't forget the hidden goldmine of space: the backs of cabinet and pantry doors. Add hanging organizers or adhesive hooks to store cleaning supplies, snacks, measuring cups, even pot lids. These simple tweaks turn every inch of your kitchen into functional, accessible space. Rethinking your storage isn't about adding more, it's about using what you already have in smarter, more creative ways. Part 4: Unleashing the power of technology and declutter smarter, not harder. In today's modern kitchen, decluttering isn't just about baskets and bins, it's about embracing technology to make your life easier. Smart appliances are no longer a luxury. They're a powerful way to streamline cooking, reduce mess, and save time. From air fryers with built-in timers to dishwashers that clean on a schedule, smart tools can automate everyday tasks and help maintain a cleaner, more organized kitchen with less effort. But tech isn't just about gadgets. Try using a digital pantry inventory app. These allow you to track exactly what you have, what's expiring, and what you need. No more buying a third jar of cinnamon or wondering if you're out of pasta. With your pantry digitally managed, you reduce clutter and save money by avoiding duplicates. And for the ultimate convenience, subscription services. Whether it's fresh produce, grocery staples, or full-blown meal kits, having curated food delivered to your door keeps your kitchen stocked intentionally, not randomly. These services help you plan ahead, minimize overbuying, and eliminate those last-minute grocery store runs that often lead to clutter. By letting technology do some of the heavy lifting, you can spend less time managing your kitchen and more time actually enjoying it. Part 5. Maintaining a decluttered kitchen. Keep the chaos from creeping back. Decluttering your kitchen isn't a one-time event, it's a lifestyle shift. Once you've created that clean, organized space, the key is to maintain it with simple, consistent habits. Start by making it a routine to purge expired food and unused tools at least once a month. That avocado slicer you haven't touched in a year, time to let it go. And that bottle of dressing that expired last summer, toss it. Regularly editing what you own keeps clutter from silently building up again. Next, implement a daily cleanup routine. It doesn't have to be complicated. Just 5 to 10 minutes after each meal to wipe surfaces, wash dishes, and reset your space. This small habit creates a ripple effect, making your kitchen feel fresh and functional every day. And here's a pro tip: designate a specific spot for food delivery containers, takeout utensils, and reusable grocery bags. These are items we use frequently but rarely organize, and they often become the clutter we overlook. A single bin, drawer, or even a labeled basket can keep these essentials in check without overtaking your kitchen. By staying intentional and building these habits, your kitchen won't just get decluttered, it'll stay that way. There you have it, to 5 unexpected and effective ways to declutter your kitchen and create a space that's not only organized, but truly enjoyable to use. From shifting your mindset and rethinking storage, to leveraging technology and establishing simple daily habits, these strategies will help you take control of your kitchen clutter once and for all. Remember, decluttering isn't about perfection, it's about progress and making your kitchen work for you. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how these changes transform your space and your routine. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more home organization hacks, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share your favorite decluttering trick in the comments below. I'd love to hear what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and here's to a happier, clutter-free kitchen.